Today I am going to share with you our famous raw chicken demonstration. It's pretty awesome. All right, I've got a chunk of raw chicken here and I am gonna rub it on this plate. Nasty. So this is representing, all the goobers and stuff that gets all over your kitchen counters when you're cooking, or the nasties that the kids leave all over the place, all right? And I have got these swabs. These are called protein swabs. This is what they use, like health food inspectors use to test cleanliness in restaurants. Now, Norwex microfiber is proven to remove 99% of bacteria using only water. We're going after proteins with these protein swabs, which is even smaller than bacteria. So we are going to test. We just rubbed the raw chicken on this plate. I'm going to take this protein swab and swab it on the plate and show you that you can see on this, green is clean and purple is dirty. We're gonna break the top, let the juices down in there. And you can see that that turned purple very quickly. Okay, that is raw chicken on that plate. Now I'm gonna use the tagged side of my Envirocloth. See, it says Enviro there. And I'm just gonna wipe this plate clean. Rub it good. And I'm gonna hold that tag side up. And I'm going to take a new protein swab and I'm going to swab this plate. And I'm going to do it just as good as I did the other one and do it even longer. Stick that in, snap the top, and you can see that that is green. Green is clean. Now some people may say, well, it's probably just all sitting on top of the cloth. Well, the cool thing about Norwex microfiber, there's actually three things that make it super, super special. One is how small the fibers are. Normal microfiber that you can get in the stores is 1/16 to 1/6 the size of a human hair. Norwex microfiber is 1/200th the width of a human hair, which makes it incredibly dense. And then it's also given a different kind of weave. So your normal microfiber, your paper towels are circle-shaped weave, right? Norwex is a star-shaped weave, so it's got fingers. So as you are using your Norwex microfiber, you actually are grabbing those proteins and those bacteria. Okay, so I'm gonna show you, this is our clean swab, and I'm going to swab the rag that we use, just to show that it's not sitting on top of that rag. And that is still showing as green. This is our chicken one, all right? Now, just to show the green one, that it's not a trick swab, I'm gonna rub it on the chicken. And you can see it's turning purple already. That is very purple, just like our other one. Both of them purple. So I am so confident that Norwex microfiber actually does what it says it does, and that this plate is actually totally clean. I'm willing to do this. Tasty. I can lick dirty chicken plates all day long and not get sick, because I know without a shadow of a doubt that this plate is actually clean, because this rag mechanically cleans. It actually physically grabs everything and holds it, okay? So then I'm gonna take my cloth over to my sink. I'm gonna rinse it in hot water and I'm gonna hang it up to dry. And while it is drying, that microsilver that is embedded in all of those teeny microscopic fibers is gonna go to work and kill all the bacteria that are in my cloth. So I'm not gonna get that nasty sour cloth smell. I only wash my cloths like once a week. And normally with my old rags, I was like every single day having to get a new wash rag, and now I don't have to do that anymore. And so I save so much time with laundry and just expense with that and the time to do all that laundry by only having to wash my cloths once a week. It's awesome. So think of all of the things that this rag can replace for you. You don't have to have chemical cleaners. You can replace paper towels. You save time, you save money just by having this one cloth in your house. These are so amazingly awesome. All right, thanks for watching, guys.